and rock and roll again. Yeah, we're back. What are we up to now? I can't remember. Some part. It's been fucking dragging on forever, isn't it? Just should have made like a short video or something. But it's the art. It's art. It's art. We've got to continue. We've got to continue. We've got to go on. We are up to installation is a reversal of removal. So that was easy. Remember, like up and up. That's all we've got to do now. Just find all the parts and put them back together. And we're just gonna roll with it.
Where to, what to believe in, where to really so. Where to, not to deceive in, we don't take control. Believe what you read or what you see, but you don't really know. Believe what you want, but don't deceive me, you won't take control. As if I need to turn on that TV, I don't even need to know the reasons. Life's not meant to be misinformed and confused. Know the line, real time, moving out into the light. Vicious lies, turn into real life. You've been sold, your mind is now in their control.
It's been a day, that's for sure. Where did we leave off? Here we are. After contemplation of our life decisions, gone ahead and tap that in. If you can see, there we go. Looks pretty good in there. Looks nice and square. Use the old 22mm socket bit, which fits just perfectly in there. So, what they can see, here we go. Just fits perfectly in that hole. I'm in a really tight spot here, by the way. And it's looks like it's in and spins square, so we're going to roll with that and put this clutch on. Easy. No room to move, but that's just beautiful. That's gone on fucking sweet. And hopefully it's the right way around. Yeah, we're sure it's the right way around. Happy about that. Let's keep going. It's great footage, but there we go. That's in. Alright, the clutch adventure. Come on, got no room in here. Can't see anything. I can't move. I shouldn't have started a video. That's all locked in. That's tight. We got the bolts in finger tight. Everything lines up. There's a bit of a gap, but I believe that's normal as we start just gently getting it in. I'm gonna just hop out of here for a minute. Let's yeah, we're old, so we make creaks and croaks. But yeah, let's get out here and get our gawker on it. So yeah, like I said, that's on. It feels snug and good. Everything's sort of as good as it should be, I think. I said there's that bit of a gap there, and these guides, like I tried a few times to get them to drop in there, but I believe that's not, that's right. That's how it's supposed to be. And now we can start ratcheting it on them. Scary stuff. Scary stuff. You want to muck this up. One shot. So at least we figured out the part that was missing. Oh, the extra bit. We didn't need to re-engineer this with no missing parts, so I'm going to just assume that, yeah, the other one just was pulverised in there. And that's part of its problems of its life. I did, like, in my research, sort of find out, if I can find where I sat at here. This clutch fork, if we get a bit better of a gander at this, you can see some score marks and stuff on there. And that's clearly where probably the thing's touching the clutch or something that it's not supposed to. Which way does this sit in there? That way, yeah. That pilot bolt thing looks okay, a bit shiny, but it's just what it is. I assume that's okay. I noticed, where was it? I thought I saw some marks on there. Another mark there. Can't see it. Yeah, you can just see it. I thought I saw marks like possibly where this was banging on here. Is that what that is? No, because that's going to be, that sits in there. So yeah, that's just probably just maybe just a grease point that's dried out over time. That shaft looks okay. Continue on with that. We've still got to clean up in there. That's the next job though. Get these clutch bolts done up next. Just been slowly tightening them up. You can see that slowly getting closer. Those guide pins are coming through nicely. Slowly. Diagonally, opposite opposings. So we need to tighten them up to clutch pressure plate to flywheel bolts, 19 inches. So I'm going to get the torque wrench onto this before I do them up any tighter, even though they're not that tight. I've just been giving them a few turns, and you can see they start to flatten out those little forkies, which is good. So yeah, we'll do the rest with the torque wrench so we don't overdo them. Might have some dinner too. So we got back here, we got the torque wrench out. Drama being that I only have a 3/8 12mm bit, because I've bought a few 1/2-inch bits for the torquey wrench, because my car, Caprice, the Beast, only needs about 3 different sizes. And I have just spent like 10 or 15 minutes after going and having a break and having a dinner looking for this damn adapter bit. And I can tell you I found every other one. I thought I'd found it. I have all these, but to adapt to every wrench for everything, and looking around, and eventually, where did it go? Where that bolt went before? There it is there, it's magnetic stick, show it in action, there we go. Torch back to, man, now we can talk. Alrighty, back again, another update. Pretty happy with how that's come up. It's probably a bit still in here and there that I can just give it one more squirt maybe. That's come up really nice. Still drying off. I didn't fuss over the front too much. Some rags back in there. Just mix it. I didn't get too much brake cleaner in there. I have it covered. That looks like oil, so that's alright. End of the world. We've got to have a look at that. See how that's going to go. You're pretty happy with that. This went in. Yeah. That's good. They were all topped up. They all went in nice. Little fins are nice and straight. There's no protrusion now. So hopefully that's going to work. Good. That's what I want. We've got the bolts back into this engine mount. Maybe we could buffle with the bolts over here actually. I'm pretty sure these ones with the washers went in there, and these ones went into there, but I reckon that might be. They're all the same size, so. These look like these ones, so. Probably check back on some footage for that. Like that. Oh, there's one down in there too. Looks like that one's been right actually.
Is anybody there? There's a dog attacking me.
I got We'll check back on the footage just to see where those went, because I'm pretty sure that was that. There's 2 in there. Put those 3 actually. I'll put it like that. That's 1, 2, 3. And those 2 in there. Alright, let's leave that. Don't touch it. Yeah, let's go there. So it's definitely into the body. So, into the block. Okay, that's a win. That's a win. That's a win. Slow progress, but let's see much more clean up there. Just maybe an ISO. That needs my attention now. See how that pops in. Make sure that doesn't rip the seal. Get the rest of the clutch components in there. Fork and the lap bearing. And then she's ready to go back in. Exciting, exciting, exciting. It's been a journey. Let's just admire the clutch in the video. Brake didn't move too much this time around, just a little bit, just as I got close to the click on the wrench, so it might have been a little bit tight before, so maybe someone did do a clutch job on it, maybe put a genuine clutch in it, I don't know, could be Toyota, seems like something they do. Fuck shit up, dealers, pricks. Yeah, anyway, enjoy that, Jasper. Catch up.